Right now we're playing Chain Together on Roblox. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Yeah, hurry up. What is going on? Just dragging him.
That's what gotta do it. Dang,
He just did, bro. Look at he's just hanging. He's like, oh yeah. So we're falling and glitching. Man, everything going crazy. Chat's going all crazy right now. Hey, jump ropes the chain. Because everybody's crowding. Everybody's crowding.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh,
You gotta avoid the pokey stuff.
Okay, everybody restart.
Avoid the pokey thing up there. You see it? Wait, you see the pokey thing up there? You gotta avoid it.
Not yet, Chance.
Oh, look at this coin. You can't get the coin?
Go, 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 go. Step on his back. Go, 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 go.
How's Chance flying? So how he fly like that? So how come he's flying? Okay, Chance he just flew up. Alright, we all on.
Oh my god, Chuck's about to jump. We're not even close to each other. Oh my.
Pull him up now. Pull up. Matthew,
stay still.
pull him up.
Matthew, stay still.
You know, hanging underneath now. We're all hanging underneath.
Matthew, since I can't pull you up, I can literally see what you're trying
Me and Matthew's stuck. We're stuck. I am.
I'm trying to pull you guys up. You keep on moving up.
This is the worst team ever.
So I can see everything from here. Pull me up. Chat.
Okay, guys. Come on, man. Sit still.
Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Swing. Swing one at a time. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we made it. Okay. Let's try this again.
Okay, Chance. All right, everyone back up.
Jump. Right. Yep.
Let their team go first.
Let the team go first.
They go first.
Okay.
They're blocking.
I had to do this. What is this person's face? What is this? Where's the eyebrows? Where's this person's eyebrows?
See, look at them.
Hurry up and jump. These guys. Holding up the line. We're waiting. Close up shot. There's us waiting.
Don't see it.
How come you guys take so long? Hurry up. We're waiting.
I pull her up. I pulled her up. Yeah. Can't jump. Oh my gosh.
One teammate like killing them.
Oh look, there's already a new team coming up here. So let's just go. Everybody, one at a time.
Alright, I'll go first.
Go. Now, go. They're waiting.
Who did that? I said wait. Who did that?
So this is a teamwork game. Oh yeah, that was our fault. We're never gonna pass this. Dang. So, take all the chains up like this. Go. Everybody, look, Chance floating again. How does he do that? We have the pokey stuff coming. Yeah, look. Oh, too late.
You're supposed to wait.
Glitching.
I was above the spike. That was not me.
You're supposed to
The
wait.
chain is glitching.
You were supposed to wait.
Alright, we're all going.
Yeah, she looked like that.
So someone keep getting smacked by the spike. Even the chain's glitching.
Go up
Can I
first.
go up? Because I'm getting pulled. Yeah.
Slowly.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Ready, go. Everybody.
Jump on the ladder.
Everybody.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
We gotta do this.
Okay, I'm on the ladder. Let's go.
Can't wait.
Okay, wait. Go. Go. Yeah, we made it.
You're gonna fall.
He's floating. He's fine. Yeah, he's fine. He's floating. All right, we gotta do this. Everybody put the game face on. Let's go. Okay, good. Okay, we got it. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. Everybody jump at the same time. Okay, get to the edge.
Because if we all jump and we miss
Okay,
it,
good.
we're all going down.
Okay, we're doing good. Oh, no, I'm listening to Chance. Chance said jump, that's why. Okay, wait, hold on. We're gonna do this one at a time. Okay, boom, I'm on a barrel now.
Okay.
All right, we're good.
Dad, go first.
Okay.
I go first, and the chest.
Okay, good.
Matthew, but it should be me, Matthew, you, and Chance.
Okay, yep. Good. Okay, yep. Wow, we're doing good.
This is when we fell down.
Hey, what the
I got it. I'm just going Chance on it.
Jump.
Okay, good. We made it. Man, we made it far. Okay, everybody, jump.
That's the only one I hate. I hate jumping on this costume. Wait, Chance.
One at a time.
Let them go first, because these
They're
guys
going to take 2,000 years to
Wait
that's the thing. Wait for them to fall.
Hey, how you do that dance?
It's Esau's. Wait, how do you type that? Wait, what is it? Esau's dance or Esau's?
Chance over here, dancing in the front of the camera. Oh, look, new people coming up. We gotta get going. Oh, look, they're about to fall.
jump on top of this cross.
Someone about to fall.
I'm staying right here.
No, because everybody has to get on top of this cross.
Okay, everybody on the cross. Right here.
Okay. Go. Next person. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Next person.
Oh, yep.
Rifles.
Next, yep.
Careful for the hole.
Yeah, that's pretty last.
Oh my gosh.
I'm walking in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I just got launched back because you guys are back there. This is the hard one too. We gotta get on.
Wait.
Whoa, this goes way up there. All right, guys, ready?
Because
Here we
they've
go.
been walking and I can't see. Don't forget hit by that spike there.
Keep going.
They got hit.
Stop right here.
But then, why are you going down?
Dang, everybody's getting hit.
Come back down.
Yeah, get down. You're gonna get hit by the spike.
No, I know. I see it, Dad.
Okay.
I see it. It's right there.
We'll all go together.
Dad, you better not get spiked.
No, I'm good.
Oh, there's another one.
Go.
Go, don't hesitate. Go. Yes, we got it. No, we're good. We are good. Oh, what happened?
Don't jump it.
Just climb the ladder all the way up. Climb the ladder all the way up.
Stop trying to
Go.
No, I'm letting go the ladder.
No, grab the ladder. We gotta start over again. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Made it where? We just made it on somewhere we can't even get up. Look. Why did you jump for? He's not supposed to jump.
I got back on the ladder.
Right when she jumped in, that's where we all messed up.
Oh, he's not supposed to jump.
Oh,
You gotta wait till we all get on top of the ladder. Oh, it's a visible wall. Where? Oh, that's an invisible wall.
Back at the beginning.
We should just do 2 people only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like Uncle Mikey go, and Lynette and me and Chance go.
Alright.
So we gotta reset. Respond their characters. Oh, we just stay close though.
So weird. Look at that. It's just like.
Okay. 2 players right here. Come on.
Okay, go to the 2 players. Here.
So glitchy. Yeah, game is so glitchy. Look at something happened to Chance. Chance, what is going on? I don't know, man. He's glitching.
I'm dropping shit.
My dad real quick.
That's not
Where are you at?
funny. I'm gonna be friends. I'm gonna connect with you.
All right, we gotta wait for them.
Yeah, let's just go to the water and wait for them. Wait, I wonder if you can watch them real quick. Can you stop? Stay right there. Like, I'm gonna do this and. Wait, you watch me?
All right, we're just waiting for those two.
I like to touch water.
Yeah, that was 11 minutes. I'm just gonna stop it.